Alright, let's unbox this Underglow kit. Inside, you've got 2 LED underbody strips, a power cable, a remote, a pack of mounting clips, and some zip ties. Here are the light strips. The end with the connector is the one that plugs into the power cable. If you're powering from the rear cigarette lighter, that connector end needs to be at the back of the car. If you're powering from the front, then the connector goes toward the front. Grab one of the strips and a set of mounting clips. When you install the clips, make sure you're not putting them directly on top of the LEDs. Starting at the front of the car, take the end without the connector, line it up, peel the backing, press it in place and tighten the screws on the strip. Then go in with the mounting clips, 2 screws each, all the way down to the end of the strip. Secure the wiring with clips as well. Now run the wire down toward the front mud flap. Route it along the inner fender. You can turn the wheel to make this easier. Remove the screws. Pull back the liner and feed the wire through to the side skirt. Pop out the side skirt clips, pass the wire underneath, hide the harness, and put the clips back in place. Reinstall the mud flap screws and liner clips. Clean the mounting area on the side skirt, line up the strip, peel the backing, press it on, tighten the screws and add the rest of the mounting clips along the strip. Continue routing the wire along the bottom of the side skirt to the rear mud flap. Remove the clips, pull back the rear fender liner, run the wire through, secure everything, and reinstall the clips. Keep going toward the back of the car. Remove the rear lower mud flap clips. Feed the wire to the rear bumper area. Line up the strip position. Secure it with screws and clips. And tuck any extra wiring out of sight. Reinstall the mud flap and fender liner. At this point, one whole side of the car is done. Repeat the exact same process on the other side. Now go to the rear center lip. Twist and remove the two knobs underneath already done here, and take the center piece off. Grab the power cable and connect its two plugs to the connectors from the light strips. Tighten the protective caps. Pull back the trunk weather seal. Use a wire puller to reach down to the bottom. Attach the power cable. And pull it back up into the trunk. Hide and secure the extra wiring. Reinstall the rear lip center piece. Take the cigarette lighter adapter. Feed it out through the opening. Plug it into the power harness, and then into the outlet. The underglow should light right up. Tuck away the remaining wire. Press the trunk seal back into place, and that's it. Your full underglow kit is installed and ready to go.